Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on crypto. Com. Open the crypto. Com app and tap Wallet or Card to add Apple Pay as a payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card through your bank and enable Apple Pay for deposits or purchases. I'll walk you through authorizing payments, troubleshooting common errors, and confirming transactions so you feel confident using Apple Pay safely. To make a deposit using Apple Pay, open the deposit section and select Fiat, then choose Apple Pay as your funding option. Enter the amount and confirm the payment on the Apple Pay sheet using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After approval, wait for the transaction to post and refresh your balance in the app. I'll also cover limits, pending statuses, and when to contact support if a deposit stalls. Buying crypto with Apple Pay is straightforward. Go to Trade or Buy, select the crypto, and pick Apple Pay at checkout. Review the order, including any fees and the exact amount of crypto you will receive, then confirm via Face ID or Touch ID. Transactions often settle quickly, but sometimes take a few minutes. Refresh your portfolio to verify the new balance. I'll also explain fee differences and quick confirmations to watch for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.